In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and track email campaigns in HubSpot. This process is essential for any marketer looking to optimize their email outreach and analyze campaign performance effectively. So let's dive in and break it all down step by step, focusing on what you need to know to get started. First up, you'll want to create your campaign. To get started, head over to the marketing section in your HubSpot account and click on Campaigns. Once you're there, hit the Create Campaign button to initiate the process. Here, you'll have the choice to follow a guided onboarding if you're new to the platform or prefer a bit of help. Alternatively, if you're already familiar with HubSpot, you can simply set it up on your own. Make sure to configure all the essential details of your campaign, such as its name, color for easy identification, brand if it's applicable, who the owner will be, and set a start date that aligns with your marketing schedule. Now, let's move on to creating the email that will be the backbone of your campaign. Navigate back to the Marketing tab and this time click on Email. Once in, click Create Email. HubSpot gives you the flexibility to choose an email type that suits your needs, whether it's a regular email for a one-off send, an automated one that triggers through workflows, or a blog/RSS email. Once you've decided, select a template and dive into customization. Personalize your content with tokens, incorporate engaging images, and make sure your calls to action are compelling. Don't forget to configure your settings. Setting a catchy subject line, adding preview text for the inbox, and selecting the right subscription type. Don't skip the crucial step of associating this email with the campaign you just created earlier for streamlined tracking. Before you send that email off, always run a test. Make sure it appears correctly on a variety of devices, ensuring your message looks professional and polished all around. Once your email is sent, HubSpot's tools will automatically track opens and clicks, giving you insightful metrics. For detailed information about how your email is performing, you can check the Performance and Recipients tabs located within the email details. You will also want to look at the campaign-level performance in the Campaigns tool, offering you a comprehensive view. Now, for those of you keen on detailed analysis, there's a handy export option to download email performance data, letting you delve deeper into your results. You can even segment performance by lists or workflows through the drop-down menus. Finally, here are a few additional tips to bring your email campaigns up a notch. Consider A/B testing your content to see what truly resonates with your audience, then refine based on those insights. HubSpot's segmentation tools are your best friend when targeting specific audience groups. Always ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. Test before you send. And last but certainly not least, personalize your emails with tokens to make each recipient feel recognized and valued. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and tracking email campaigns in HubSpot. Happy marketing!